Hey there, Playmo pals. Welcome to the PlaymoAF YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at set number 71427, set number 4615, set number 4683, set number 70642, the boat trip to the manatees, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Michelangelo 6-inch figure. This is Starline from the Ever Dreamers Series 2. This is from the Naruto Shippuden line. This is the character Sakura, the explorer with alligator. This is the mermaid. But wait, we do more than unboxings and reviews. Animations, spotlights. Today we're going to spotlight Playmobil 123, now Playmobil Junior. Today we're spotlighting the Micro World Knights and Princesses playset. Today we're spotlighting the Hoop Skirt Clickies. DIYs. Today we're going to customize our own set of Beatles Clickies. We're taking a look at our own set of Clickies modeled after the Virginia Tech Hokies. We need to breathe new life into this vintage astronaut Clicky. Let's get to it. Customizations. Today we're checking out our Clicky customizations. Skill levels range from easy to moderate. A great way to create and showcase your own personalized Clicky. So, what exactly separates us from the other Playmobil YouTube channels? Well, first and foremost, we are a very Clicky-centric channel, meaning that our primary focus is on the Clickies. After all, it's the Clickies that give Playmobil its distinctive charm. And we're proud to feature these unique and colorful characters in every capacity available. So check out what we have to offer. I promise you we've got plenty. We'll keep giving you excellent content. Start right now. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe if you haven't, and follow us on Instagram. You can check us out at playmo.af. We post new videos almost every Sunday. So be sure to check us out and enjoy what we have to offer. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.